going. We're going to go over how to draw the syringean from the Garten of Banban. I'm going to go through it step by step. Should be easy, so follow along with me, all right? I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to draw a straight line down. I'm going to go over here on the right side over here and draw a straight line as well, downward. Nothing too wild. Now we're going to draw like a hook shape right here, and a hook shape right here. It's going to be, his head looks kind of like, I don't know, like his head looks a little bit like a blade or something like that. I don't know how to say it. Maybe like a hammerhead shark. And then we're going to pull up right here. Same thing, up right here. And then we're going to have an overall curve shape at the top for this guy. Gonna go over here on this, and then we're gonna go down. It's gonna have like a bump right here for kind of the mouth area. Bump right here, downward for the mouth area. Cool, cool, cool. So far, so good. We're gonna over here at the top now. We're gonna go into the eyes. Okay. So about here, I'm gonna draw a circle, and take your time. You don't wanna. If you don't want to draw, look, if your circles are not that great, it's just do it slowly, right? Let's do it on this side. Let's do it just go like that, and then go over here. You can do another. Turn the paper if you need it, right? It's pretty, I think generally it can be very, very simple, so just take your time if you need to. Just draw something close to a circle. Nothing, it doesn't have to be wild, it doesn't have to be, you know, incredibly arduous. Gonna go over here and, well, first thing is I'm going to draw a circle right here. Kind of, this is more of an egg shape, though, in the mouth. In the mouth one, we're going to fill it in. It's probably a lot easier to do that in pencil, to be honest. But, you know, it works over here on this area. Right now, we're just kind of filling it in, hanging out. Also, I'm going to remind you, don't forget, have fun. Have fun with this stuff. I know a lot of this stuff can be kind of arduous and it be kind of stressful, but don't worry about it. Don't forget, I'm going to be going live every day. Sometimes I'm going to be going live in public here, and then sometimes I'm going to go live in the members section. So, but I'm going to be going live pretty much every day, and sometimes more than once a day. And so you can join it. A lot of it's going to be fun. So, curve up over here. Bump right here. Bump right there for the arm, the other arm. Line across. Curve right here for the arm. Curve right here down. He's got like this lumpy arm kind of thing going on. Same thing on this side now. Let's do the other one. Curve over here for that bumpiness. He's got another bumpy arm. We're going to cut that off at the end there. Bump right here. Looks like a sausage link or something like that. Down, down. All right. He's got like 4 arms, so we're going to kind of keep it going over here. Line over here. More bumpiness. Line across. Line over here. Down. More bumps. More like 2 bumps on the arm, pretty much. Going to go up over here. Go across. And bumpiness over here on the arm on that side. Curve down over here. Line over here for the feet. Line over here for the feet. The feet are going to be shorter than, like, let's say the arms, because the arms are pretty long, I would say, for his type, but, well, not really, not for the head type, but, you know, they're longer than the feet. So, feet are also bulky. And then we're going to draw the toes right here. Like so. Let's go over here because he's got like syringes and stuff in his hand. So we're going to go over here and draw like a box at the end of that. Another box. And then a wiggly kind of thing coming out of it like a syringe. Over here now. Almost looks like a T shape right there. Line, line, line at the end of that. I'm going to draw a syringe out of that. Out over here. Curve downward. Circle. line over here down, curve in. Line over here, line over here, up, up, out, down, like so. We're drawing like a claw shape right there. It just looks like it's enveloped in a square or something like that. But you got that claw shape. So it's kind of like 4 different things, right? You have like these 2 boxes stuck to each other with a needle, and then like this other T shape with a needle. You have this like scissor stapler thing, and then you have like this little claw thing. Really simplistic shapes, nothing to really think too much about, but just kind of something that's there. Okay, we're gonna go over here now. Curve. And then we're gonna go over here. We're gonna do another curve over here, and we're gonna fill in that shape, right? This is the eyes, and we're just gonna fill in that dark shape. If you guys have any questions or you guys have anything else, definitely hit the like, by the way, or otherwise let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. I pretty much get comments on every single one. I like hearing from you guys and what you guys do or what it is that you you talk about. But if there's some sort of request you want to make for a character, let me know. I'm here for it, pretty much. I'm here for any request. I'm here for any thoughts or anything like that. Otherwise, you can tell me on the live, or you can tell me on the yeah, pretty much you can just tell me on the live, pretty much. Like I said, I'm probably gonna go live right after this. Line right here, line right here, to put little bags under the eyes to kind of add a little bit of flair to it. I want to add a little bit of small detail that maybe the drawing didn't have initially, and you can do that by throwing in maybe like a thin little line over here underneath certain areas of the arm, because it makes it look a little bit it makes it look a little bit simpler and easier when you do that sort of thing. But you don't really have to do that. So a lot of like these little like marks you could make, they're all extra detail if you want, but it's not something that you have to do. It can be, but it's not something that's necessary. But I would say, check it out and try to maybe understand it. But that's pretty much it, by the way. I'm going to put this in the playlist, in the Garten of Banban playlist, so you can go check that out and the other characters. I'll try to put a link below. If not, go check out the playlist section. But otherwise, share the video, say what's up to me, and also I want you to stay there, by the way, and we're going to go through the next drawing lesson right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.